All right, so today we're going to do something that most people loathe. Not love, but loathe. And that's cleaning your barbecue grill. Yuck. We've got this old, I think it's a 2012. Yeah, it was produced in 2012. We got it from Lowe's. I gave it to my wife as a gift for Christmas or birthday, I don't remember. It's a charbroil infrared, which means it's got extra grates to clean. And as you probably know, if you do any charcoal grilling or barbecue grilling, the grill gets nasty, nasty, nasty. You can see I've already cleaned a little bit, but there's quite a bit of a grease buildup. And the stainless steel is really tarnished. We're going to give an in-depth cleaning. I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, oven cleaner is your friend. You shake it up, you put your gloves on like this, and you spray it. You spray everything. Everything. You can hose it out, scrape it, scrub it. Let's see, we got that little scraper. Here it is right here. This little scraper is a super handy tool. See, it's got the 3 prongs on there. You can really get in there and scrape these grates. Scrape these grates. This is an infrared barbecue, so these grates go down below. They have these little holes which help spread the heat evenly before you get to these. A lot of grills don't have the infrared, but either way. And we're going to work on cleaning up our tarnished, and you can see the rust spots. I don't know if you can see the rust spots there all over our grill from sitting out. Even though we have it covered, it just gets yucky. So let's get to work, shall we? First of all, after you've used your Easy Off oven cleaner and softened up all the charcoal and all the bits of meat, you can take your shop vac like this, like I just did, and suck out all the particles that are hardened and not too greasy. Hopefully, like on most grills, you come to the back and you've got a grease trap here like this. You can pull that out, and you can also spray oven cleaner in there, wipe that out with a paper towel, and throw it in the garbage. That's one way of getting it cleaned up. Don't forget to clean the shelves. And I'm going to show you what's going to make this thing look really, really good. Okay, so once you got your barbecue grill degreased and dried out with your oven cleaner and garden hose and what have you, once you got the diffusers, these are the flame diffusers clean, the infrared grates clean, and the barbecue grills clean, and the interior clean, then we can start working on the outside. You can see it's got stains. The stainless steel is not very vibrant or deep or shiny, it's just kind of dull. We are going to make you the envy of your neighborhood. We're going to get out the buffer. That's right, the electric buffer and a little Meguiar's 105 Ultra Cut compound. Let's see if we can make this old, tired looking, used up 6-year-old grill shine like new and impress everyone at your next outing. Let's get to work. So you take a little of the Meguiar's and you sprinkle it on the pad. If it's not clogged up, make sure that the thing is open and that the thing is unclogged. Oh, there we go. You want to prep the pad a little bit. And then we're going to apply the pad and compound to our grill. All right, so once you get to buffing your grill, you'll notice the pad turns black. You want to keep that as clean as possible. And you also notice that I moved the grill from the sunshine area to the shade. The compound was drying too fast before it had a chance to work. But look, we're already starting to see a little bit of a shine. We've just touched the ice, in other words, just the tip of the iceberg here. We're going to make this thing look great. Of course, if you want to check your work, you want to use a little wipe and shine, spray it on there, and then use your terry cloth or your multi-cloth towel and wipe all the grit off that you've accumulated. Look at that baby. Looks so much better already. Wait till we get this thing out in the sun. Okay, I'm going to keep working on it. I've got the lid almost done. Work on the sides and then the front. It's going to look like brand new. Okay. All right, so we're here in the driveway. We're buffing our barbecue grill to make it look really good. And we've got somebody here who's going to tell us what they think. Okay, I'm going to interview you, little girl. What do you think? What do you think? How's this coming out?
I think it looks good.
Yeah? What do I got to do?
I think that this corner and over there needs a little more work.
It does. Do you think it'll look extra good? Do you think Mom will be surprised when it's all cleaned up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If that part was gone.
Look how black the pad is getting.
Yeah.
So we're going to keep working on it. Okay, we're out here cleaning the grill. We got it all.
Oh my gosh, you're really cleaning the grill.
Oh, look. Somebody's out here that's going to examine my work.
What are you doing to it?
We're cleaning the grill.
It looks like you're smearing grease all over it.
I sort of am smearing grease all over it. We're going to make it look like brand new. You're going to be able to see your face like a mirror when I'm done.
Really?
Well, I hope so. That's the plan.
How'd you get all the crud out?
Well, we cleaned it all out with oven cleaner and a hose first. That's not the primary focus of this video.
Oh.
This is making it look like new again.
Oh.
Well, making it look as best
There's
as
a bunch
possible.
of grease and stuff up here. Are you going to be able to get that out?
We'll work on that.
How do you get the grease off?
We get the grease off with the oven cleaner, which is over there.
Oh.
Yeah, this is more an aesthetic thing.
Thank you, honey.
Most people know how to degrease their grill. You're welcome.
I don't.
Now I found it best to actually put the grill on its back so you can apply more pressure. All the rust stains that were here have left little divots, which doesn't make me happy. The grill is cleaning up really nice. Look at all this. Take your multi-fiber cloth here and just wipe it off. Look at that. It's just coming out beautiful. It's so dirty though. My multi-fiber cloth is getting very dirty. My wool pad I'm gonna have to wash because it's absolutely gross. So I'll have that soaking in that tub and I'll probably replace it with a new one while I keep working on this grill. Look at the shine coming on that baby. A couple more tips for you. One, to keep your pad clean, you can use a spur. So you can turn the buffer onto the foot and give it a good clean. The second is, if your barbecue is on wheels like ours is, prop it up against a wall because when you start buffing and pushing on it, it's going to start moving around and you want it to be on solid ground or at least have some support. And the next thing is, you want to use your buffer at a slightly low speed. 1 or 2 on the knob is just fine. Okay, tell me what you think.
I think it's good.
Is it looking good?
Yeah.
It's looking a lot shinier.
Yeah.
Still got a lot of work to do.
What about right there?
It what?
What about that right there?
Oh, there's a little smudge right there. Yeah, I'll get that.
Okay.
All right, so our Saturday morning grill project is coming to an end. I'm using a toothbrush to do some final details around the gauges, the knobs, get all the rubbing compound schmutz out of there. As you can see, we've lost our shade. It's going to be 85 degrees today, and it's now blinding me. The shine on this thing is incredible. It's almost a mirror finish. It looks fantastic for a 6-year-old beat up grill that we've had sitting outside undercover most of the time, but all winter long it sits out there with the rain and the snow. It looks so much better. Even the dog would concur. What are you doing? What are you doing? She's hot and sleeping. So a little vacuuming, a little of the oven cleaner, a little elbow grease, disassembly. We're going to put this thing back together. All the grills and grates are going to go back in it. I think we're going to cook something good tonight, so we'll do a little video on that later. But thanks for watching. It came out really good. It took me about 45 minutes with the buffer. I did go through one pad. You can see how dirty the water there is. It's nasty. I cleaned it and letting it dry, and I've got a second pad. But just took my time. And oh, one more thing. You can't get too aggressive with the pad near the emblem. See the true infrared there, the red? I burned through that a little bit. It's just a little decal. Be careful. But I use the edge of the pad to go around the knobs and stuff. And then of course here I could use the full pad. But it's almost a mirror finish. I'm really happy with the end result, and I hope you are too. Thanks for watching. It's on. I got it warming up. What do you think? Can you see yourself in it? Can you do your
blurry.
Can you do your makeup?
No.
Wait, do you do makeup?
No, Allie does.
Oh. Show me what it looked like before. Do you remember?
It looked bad.
Yeah. We got it on right now, so let's see.
Nah.
It smells kind of bad. It'll take a minute for it to burn off. And then we can cook burgers on it tonight.
Yum!
Yum! Yeah, we're ready. Nice and hot.